Hi, I'm now going to fit the belt on the snapper, the new belt. I have it there, there's the old one. I've checked it's right size, so I've already got the bits off, but I'll sort of give you a bit of a recap of what I've done, had to take off. Sorry the light isn't great, I'll see if I can make that a little bit better. There, that's what I've had to take off. I'll sort of try and show you it as I'm putting it back on. But I've took the it's all the drive stuff off, and down there is the blade brake bits and pieces. So I'll see if I can get belt off and try and get it fitted. What you have to do is you have to fit it round that there, around that wheel, and you can just squeeze it in, and then round that pulley there, and then it goes around the crank, and you can just squeeze it in there. It's quite a tight fit and a bit fiddly, but you can do it. After it being a bit fiddly, I managed to get it on. I had another belt I tried before, but it was the wrong one, it was too long, so I'm sure this one's right. I'll just tip the mower over, just check whether it's catching on the bolt. That's where the other one was catching, right there. It was too near that bolt, but now you can see the tension's not bad and it's okay there now. So I'll get the blade brake back on, and then we'll be nearly there. I've got to put the drive bits back on at the top as well. We'll nearly be there. Here we are, the keyways in. There you can see it. Line them up. It's a little bit tight. I'll just wind it home with a bolt. Here we go. Hasn't got to be too tight because the bolt still has to come out. And that bit can fit on. Like so. I've got the cable connected now. I had a bit of a job remembering how it went, but that's how it goes. I took it all apart, and that's the thing with leaving things, you forget how they go, but it's back together now. So I can get on now with putting the blade brake mechanism back together. Now it's been clamped, the cable, so this one should fit in here like so, which it does, fits on the bearing. It's all tight now on there. So you have the blade to go back on, which will need a sharpen, but I won't worry about that just yet. Also, centre bolt can go in now. Got the centre bolt back in now. I put pull cord in through the plug holes so that the engine doesn't turn. Tip I found off YouTube which works really well. So now we're ready for the blade. There's these spacers on, which I've got to like there, spacers to fit underneath the blade. And then that fits on there. Like that. I'll tighten them up. I hope you can see there. It's a little bit dark, but we'll see if we can get this bit back together now. There's a wheel, the drive. I have put a new one of them on, a new rubber wheel. Slides over there like so. There is a spring I have to put on. We have the nut and bolt there. So the spring just fits under there. And pulls up over that, over there, that gives the tension. And the final piece to this part is this last cover bit, like that. Move the gears over, goes in there like so. Guard it. And then that's it. Just have a guard put over the top, which I don't need to show you. And this project is almost complete. It's dark outside now, so I shall show you it working in daylight demonstration. Also on the snapper, the exhaust was in a bad way. That's the original one, and it's holes in there. It's got a crack across there, but it has this bit fitted on it. Because of the engine is set that way on the mower, that piece is made to shoot the fumes out to the side. So I've got another exhaust, it's the same, so I'll get them bits changed over and get that back on there. I've just done the snapper. It's Sunday evening, it's dark now, so I'll try and finish the video. I just want to demonstrate it now, then the video will be done of the whole repair I've done to that one. Snapper videos. I've tried it out, it seems to work fine. There's a little bit of a delay on the blade brake, but I think that's probably just cable adjustment, but it mowed the grass okay, as you've seen from the demonstration. And there we go, we're all done. All I have to do now is give it just a service, but I'll pack it away for winter and do that in springtime. So hope you enjoyed these videos. Thanks for watching.